Hey everybody, welcome to the Rebels Design Team Hair Salon. Experience the science of hair. My name is LaDosha Wright. I'm one of the cosmetologists here at the Rebels Design Team Hair Salon. And we decided it's time for us to do a video to explain to you the salon environment and our structure of salon services. So I know you guys are tired of hearing about it, but it is still the pandemic. So we have some rules of engagement that's going to keep you and everybody safe, including us, as we work our way through this pandemic. These outlines are governed by the Ohio State Board of Cosmetology. So rule number one, we want you guys to immediately come to the salon feeling good and happy. If you don't, feel free, you gotta stay home and get yourself together. That's number one. Number two, you gotta mask it up. That's right, the state of Ohio and the Ohio State Department of Cosmetology requires everybody who enters to wear a mask, and upon entry, you're gonna walk down the Soul Train line right here, go in the bathroom and wash your hands for 30 seconds, wave your hand over our touchless trash can, and come on in and have a seat at one of these socially distanced salon chairs, which of course we're always cleaning those in between salon services. So that's a little bit about our salon environment during the pandemic. We're doing our best to make sure you are very, very safe, okay? Next up, we're gonna talk about the structure of salon services. So now that you understand that this is a safe environment and we are here to make sure you have a wonderful visit, now you wanna know, hey, how do I get into this place? So first things first, there's a few ways that you can make an appointment. So number one, you can call us here at 216-321-1101. Leave a message or talk to a live person to schedule your appointment, or you can email us at rdthairsalon.com. I'm sorry, rdthairsalon@yahoo.com. Again, that's rdthairsalon@yahoo.com. Or you can text, that's right, you can text us at area code 216-904-9821, and that's 24 hours a day, and our salon coordinator will get back to you ASAP. Or if you're on the Google platforms, you can inbox us on that platform and we will respond to you in a timely fashion. So those are about the best ways that you can get in touch with us to come on in and have a seat at the Rebels Design Team Hair Salon. Now, about those no-shows, we do have a no-show policy, but to prevent any no-shows from taking place, we text every single customer 2 days before to remind you. But we know sometimes you forget. That's quite all right. All you have to do is respond back in a timely fashion and say, you know what, I need to reschedule. If you don't respond, we'll automatically cancel your appointment, because we do have a no-show fee that is at the value of the salon service that you were booked for. So make sure you respond to those text messages, and if you can make it, thumbs up. And if you can't, just respond back, you would like to reschedule, no problem, all right? Next up, we have our one and only, very, very famous and user-friendly, free, that's right, free hair and scalp analysis. This consultation consists of 3 things. Number one, you're gonna fill out a questionnaire. Number two, you're gonna have a seat. And number 3, we're going to analyze your scalp and your hair. And these 3 things help set the tone for what we can and cannot do to your hair. Our goal here in providing you salon services is to do 3 things. Number one, get to know you and your hair first before we even touch it. Number 2, we want to customize your salon experience and your salon service. And then number 3, we also want to teach you how to take care of your hair in between salon visits or at home. That way, you ain't no slave to the hair salon. How about them apples, okay? Now, if you want to schedule an appointment for a consultation, all you have to do is call, email, or text us at either of those numbers, and again, we will respond to you in a timely fashion. You also have the option to have your consultation and your hairstyle done the same day. Again, all you have to do is call, email, or text, and we will take really, really good care of you. All right? Also, in case you didn't know, if you can't get here, yes, we do virtual appointments. That's right. For 15 minutes, your virtual consultation is complimentary. Again, email, text, or call, and it would be our honor to take care of you over the phone or your cell phone platform, okay? Next up, our menu of services. The Revis Design Team menu of services is a la carte. That means you get to pick which services that you would like off of our menu. So for example, we have a hairstyling menu. We have hairstyling services, we have hair coloring, we have natural hairstyles, we have manicures, we have haircuts, and we have texture and perm services. So we have an array of salon services to offer you that you can select from. If you want to know more of what we have to offer, all you have to do is just visit rdthairsalon.com and check out our menu, and you'll be able to select from which one you would like. And when you call to schedule that appointment, all you have to do is let us know which services that you would like. Okay, we got that going. Y'all doing good? Okay, next up, our retail. That's right, the Revis Design Team Hair Salon, we have the bomb diggity retail selection. We have about 5 different hair care lines for you to select from. The bulk of our hair care lines are all sulfate and paraben free, thus making them very user-friendly for the entire family, from newborn all the way up to 99, okay? We also have a nice collection of jewelry and a few selection of jackets all the way from West Africa. When you come in, you can check that out. We also have books. That's right, I'm the author of 2 books, a self-help book titled What They Don't Tell You at the Hair Salon, and a children's book titled Curly Hair Adventures. You like, y'all got all that in the hair salon? What if I can't get there to get that? No problem. You can shop at the Amazon store at amazon.com/LaDosha Wright, and you can shop for everything online, or you can visit lwrightbooks.com just to get the books. So either or, you can shop here, or you can go online to make your selections. And yes, we do have curbside assistance. So if you want to call us up and make your order, we'll bring that right out to you with no problem. One more thing. When it comes to shipping, we can only ship to within the United States and Canada or Mexico. Unfortunately, during the pandemic, we haven't had much success getting those packages out of those areas. So please make sure that right now, if you're living in the United States, Mexico, or Canada, we got you covered. The other countries, we're coming for you, all right? Okay, I think that is it. I hope you have enjoyed learning a little bit more about the Revis Design Team Hair Salon community. And we are going to be bringing so many more videos to help you understand what type of a salon is the Revis Design Team before you even walk through the door. Now I know we're on a video, and sometimes videos just don't capture it and you have more questions. Again, you can always call us here at 216-321-1101, or you can email us at rdthairsalon@yahoo.com, or you can text us at 216-904-9821 to learn more about the Revis Design Team, where you get to experience the science of hair. Love, peace, and hair grease. You know. Hope to see you soon. Bye.